HSK Grammar HSK 语法 I am 老徐 HSK 三级语法 Preposition 像 versus 对 Character 像 has many meanings as a preposition is often confused with another character called 对 Here we talk about some grammar points about this character 像 First, as a noun, it means the direction. So, for example, 风向 meaning the wind direction. As a verb, it can mean to face. For example, 这间房子向南 meaning the house is facing south. 向南. Also, as a verb, it means to take somebody's part or to be partial to somebody. For example, 你别总是向着你的孩子 Don't be always on the side of your children. 你别总是向着你的孩子 As a preposition, it means towards, and it is often in the structure with 向 plus a noun or pronoun. 向 So we are going to talk about next one, preposition plus 像 plus noun and pronoun. So it expresses one directional action toward the noun and pronoun. And it often comes with verb phrase. So first, when verb phrase represents a communication activities and the noun or pronoun represents the party to communicate with. In this situation, sometimes 像 can be replaced with the character 对. But on the other situations, when the activity is not considered to be a communication activity, and sometimes noun or pronoun represents an explicit direction of the activity, which means it is a direction. 像 cannot be replaced by 对, so it is different. Also, remember, we can have a structure like this, verb phrase plus 像, then plus noun or pronoun. So this structure is not replaced by 对 because 对 cannot be used this kind of fashion. Let's see some details. So in the first example, when verb phrase represents the activity of communication. So what is the activity of communication? We will talk about now. And the noun or pronoun represents the party to communicate with. So in this case, 像 and 对 are similar. For example, 他对我笑了笑. 他对我笑了笑. So you can see 笑了笑 is a activity of communication, and 我 is the party to be communicated with. 他向我笑了笑. He smiled at me. 他对我笑了笑. Next one, 我对他点点头. 我对他点点头. So this is another way to communicate. 点点头. 我向他点点头. I nodded to him. 他对我们招手. 他对我们招手. 他向我们招手. He waved to us. He waved to us. So next one, if activity does not represent communication. And sometimes another one is when noun and pronoun represents an explicit direction of an activity. 向 is different from 对. For example, 你向前走50米就到了. 向前, so this is a direction. 你向前走50米就到了。You walk 50 meters ahead. So in this case, you cannot say 你对前走50米就到了。No. Next one. 请向我这里看。请向我这里看。So 我这里 is a explicit direction. 向我这里看。Look at me. So you cannot say 他对我这里看。No. 他向我们走来。他向我们走来。Look at this one. 他向我们招手。He waved to us. That's a communication activity. But here we have explicit direction. 走来，向我们走来。他向我们走来。He came to us. You cannot say 他对我们走来。So it is a little bit different. Next one. 我必须向你道歉。我必须向你道歉。I must apologize to you. 向你道歉 is a direction to you. Also in English, 向 can mean from. It doesn't mean to, but from. For example, 我要向你学习。我要向你学习。You cannot say 我要对你学习。That's not right. 我要向你学习 meaning I want to learn not to you but from you in English. From. 他向朋友借了点钱。He borrowed some money from my friend. 我向朋友借了点钱。向朋友 meaning from the friend. 有个问题想向你请教。有个问题想向你请教。I have a question for you. So literally you can say I have a question to ask from you. 向你请教。To ask from you. 如果你有困难，你可以向学校寻求帮助。If you have trouble, you can ask the school for help. Or you can say, you can ask help from the school. So, 向 in English here means from. And the last point is, if we have a structure like verb phrase plus 向, then plus a noun and pronoun. So this structure is never used for 对. So you cannot use 对 here. For example, 这条河流向大海。这条河流向大海。The river flows to the sea. 流向，流 is a verb phrase. Verb plus 向，流向。小鸟飞向蓝天。The bird flew into the blue sky. So 飞向 verb plus 向。Last one. 学生一起走向教室。The students walked to the classroom together. So 走向。So those are the 3 grammar points for 向 in terms of the character 对. So a lot of times 向 cannot be replaced by character 对. Thank you very much.